Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11. Click Start menu, then click Search bar and type Edit Power Plan. Then open it. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Select High Performance. Then expand Processor Power Management. Open the menu for minimum processor state. Then change the value to 0. Open the menu for maximum processor state. Change the setting for your battery to 100%. Change the setting for your plugin to 100%. Then click Apply. Click OK. Click Start menu. Then type search bar Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now select the Startup option. Disable unwanted startup programs. Thanks for watching.